navigate the streams. Master of codes weaving cipher dreams. Patterns of rhythm encrypted in flows. I decode the beats where the melody cleaves. Binary whispers in the circuits they speak, putting static in the music unique and sleek. With every global pulse the secrets unfold as I rhyme in the language of gold. In the realm of silicon my fortune is cast. In the labyrinth of circuits finding clues vast. Echoes of logic and harmony they sing. I am the maestro in this digital ring. With cipher, master of coded sound. Master of codes, I write the sound's decree. In the echoes of silence where none can see. Through the veils of noise my symphony flies. In the heart of the data where truth lies. Lines of lyrics, like lines of code, dancing in harmony across the node. I craft the verse with precision and grace, decoding the rhythm in this digital space. In the night of the world where ciphers ignite, I ride the waves of data, luminous light. We venture boldly through circuits and dreams where the future is woven with digital scenes. In a world of algorithms, my truth is defined. Within lines of logic, new paths are aligned. The symphony of data harmonies entwine. I script the rhythm where the codes combine. Light cipher, master of coded sound. Master of codes orchestrating the unseen streams. Composing wonders in the realm of silent dreams. Through layers of static, my melodies arise in the core of circuits where creativity lies. A digital serenade. Notes cascade like shimmering code. In the cipher's embrace, rhythms are made. Solo play where pure sound explodes. In the glow of the twilight where the cipher sound flows. The melody shimmer where the digital garden grows. At the final note, the symphony slows. I leave a legacy in harmony as the twilight shows. The music is ready for saturation. In the silence of circuits, echoes gently waver. Whispers of code in the night they savor. As shadows dissolve, my journey finds its close. Master of codes in the digital repose. Find a final whisper, that it is to rest in the heart of silicon. The pulse bless the legacy woven in the fabric of time. As the world of ciphers sings its graceful rhyme.